Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mpaa token. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, July 27th. So we're going to go over the information on the Mpaa token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Mpaa is a user-powered democratic poll social media platform and is coming to Mexc Global July 27th, 4 a.m. UTC time. So I just uploaded a video, or I am uploading a video around the same time as this video on the Soul Olympics token. And that token is also getting listed on Mexc Global tomorrow. So some big token listings. And today there's some other tokens that I posted yesterday that are being listed today on Mexc Global. But this also is a huge project here, this Mpaa token. If you look at their Twitter here, gold verified checkmark at Mpaa first. They have 98,100 Twitter followers, so huge Twitter following. And yeah, so if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Mpaa, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So prior to this listing going on today, July 26th, there is a Kickstarter event going on for this token, where basically you can vote with MX tokens, which is Mexc Global's token, and you could potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 30,000 USDT, so big reward pool there. Now on their Twitter there, you're going to see that they have a link to a Telegram there. They have a link to their Launchpad. They have a link to their webpage. So their webpage is mpaa.io. Fairly new Twitter. They just joined January 2024 on Twitter. And they have the contract address right there as well. So yeah, their Launchpad, if you go over there, there's going to be a dashboard. You can click Add Token, Profile, their staking, DAO, so Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Then it has a link to their Telegram and their Twitter on the Launchpad as well. That's funny because the Twitter has the Telegram symbol and the Telegram has the X symbol. So somebody made that backwards on their webpage or on their Launchpad. But yeah, you can connect the wallet. You can search tokens, all sorts of stuff. Now, if you go to their webpage, mpaa.io, they have a home section, buy now section, about, roadmap, team, media, DAO section, social medias. It says, make player A versus A. Create your own categories in social finance that Mpaa boasts. Be a player, fight, and vote. So there's a donation zone. There's a pre-sale zone right on their webpage. It says MetaMask not available, but you could buy this token. It says with ETH on their webpage. This might be over, or it might still be going on today until the listing tomorrow. But they already raised $37,904. It says US. But yeah, you're able to swap for the token right on their webpage. So that's interesting there. But what is Mpaa? So Mpaa is a Launchpad, an innovative platform hosted on the Base blockchain, dedicated to creating and trading meme coins. As a decentralized autonomous organization, Mpaa empowers users to participate in the latest cultural and financial trends by simplifying the process of issuing tokens. This allows anyone, regardless of their technical background, to create a token in seconds with minimal fees. Our mission is to democratize the creation and trading of meme coins, making it accessible to everyone while fostering a vibrant community centered around global culture and crypto. Mpaa aims to become a leading social finance platform where users can communicate, share their voices, and engage with the latest trends in the crypto native way. So they do have a full white paper available on their webpage and the contract address on their webpage as well. They have a roadmap here, starting with phase 1 is going to be issuing tokens, building website, white paper production, building presale, Etherscan registration, building community. Phase 1 of the presale starts. And then we have phase 2 is going to be the decentralized autonomous organization and governance, decentralized application development, major partnerships, major marketing. Phase 2 to 4 of the presale starts. And then phase 5 IEO starts. And then we have phase 3 of the roadmap is going to be listing on decentralized exchanges, listing on a tier 1 central exchange. And so that's where we're at right now, where they're being listed on Mexc Global. They say tier 1 because Mexc Global has over 10 million users. Major media campaign partnership, abandoned foundation ownership, and then market cap goal. And then last phase of the roadmap, phase 4, is going to be enhance the DAO and governance DApp, reestablishing project direction, and rebranding. Now, if you're looking for the chart, price, all that type of stuff for this token, you can find it on Basechain, since this is on the Base blockchain. And you can also find the chart on Dex Screener, Dex Tools. It actually says this token is up 4.72% today and has a huge market cap, $548 million. Huge market cap there. Yeah, we're gonna go over the we're gonna go over more Mexc global tokens today. So check out the other videos like the Seoul Olympics token. And yeah, for a $546.8 million market cap for this token here. So huge project. But yeah, check out the other Mexc global tokens. Check out the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.